If you are looking to start playing pickleball and are looking for a great starter set to get going, could not recommend these enough. The brand sent me this in exchange for an honest review and to try it out. So let's kind of open this up. You got a nice carrying case with strap that is adjustable, which is really nice. They package this stuff really nice. So you, right off the bat, you get 4 pickleballs, which is awesome. And you get 2 paddles right here. These do come wrapped up like this, really nice, so they don't get scratched. This handle is leather and it's just really nice. You could get a really good grip using these. We've used these about twice now. And then you also get this tape so you can kind of fix your grip or whatever you want. And then this is kind of what the inside of the bag looks like. Super lightweight. Just really love this stuff a lot. If you're trying to get into pickleball, I've got a bunch of paddles and everything else. This is by far the most complete set I have gotten. You get everything you need. The tape, the paddles, the balls. If you're looking to get into pickleball, could not recommend this set enough.